Smells like candy. Just to scrub off the dead skin off your feet. Hey my harmonies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Symphony. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a Dollar Tree haul because I know in my last Dollar Tree haul, it was like a feminine hygiene haul, more on the hygiene side. But this time I do have some beauty products, home products, mainly beauty, but I did pick up a few home products. If you guys enjoy Dollar Tree hauls or any type of really affordable type of hauls, make sure you guys give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to join the harmony because we're almost at 50k. Like finally, I have been on YouTube since I was 14 years old and now we're finally almost hitting 50k. I'm 23 now, by the way, so it will mean so much to me if you guys will hit that subscribe button. So with that being said and done, let's get started with this Dollar Tree haul. One of the main items that I got at Dollar Tree were these Barbie 10 pocket tissues, and I had to get 2 of these because I love these so much. I love Barbie, I love Bratz, My Scenes. Nobody really talks about My Scenes anymore and it makes me sad. And I do remember them having Paw Patrol and like, you know, stuff for the boys, but you know I'm gonna get Barbie. I have to stock up on these always because these are perfect to have in your vanity or in a car, your purse, and it comes with 10 of them, so these are gonna last me like a decent amount of time. And yeah, I just mainly use these for my purse anyway, so I had to stock up on these. And make sure you guys follow me on TikTok too, because I did make a TikTok about me shopping at Dollar Tree and just show you guys what's in Dollar Tree right now. And that video has like 55-ish K views or almost 55k views. So if you guys don't follow me on TikTok, follow me on there too. And with TikTok, I'm almost at 10,000 followers, so I'm having all these little goals that I'm almost so close of reaching. So if you guys want to see any like shop with me videos, little hauls, under 3-minute videos of beauty, fashion, lifestyle, and some of the videos I do post on TikTok I don't post on here, so make sure you guys follow me on TikTok. Next I have another little thing that I can just throw in my bag or just like put in my vanity. So this is the Cutex Care nail polish remover pads, and I had never tried these out and I always seen these at Dollar Tree. So actually, I'm gonna see what these look like. I have not opened them yet. Okay, it comes with 10, so that's a good amount for $1.25. Yeah, these are how they look. I would just mainly use these for sometimes we can just leave the house without having our nails done all the way. It's sometimes to the point where it's like, okay, let me just take off this nail polish, and it's just better to wear plain bare nails without wearing like crusty, rusty, dusty nails. So this is like perfect. This is like perfect for that. Yeah, that's like one of the main reasons why I got them. And just in case I run out of like my actual nail polish remover, this is very handy to have. I decided to pick up these because I have some big products or like some liquid products that are just too big just to have on my vanity or in my vanity. So I think I want to put some of those products in here and just have a minier version of it. And maybe for one of them I can just put lotion in it and just throw it in my bag, because I have so many different lotions that I have barely used and I really want to use them like so bad. I hate wasting things. This next one is kind of boring, but I had to pick up some more envelopes. I work on social media full-time and I do a lot of business things, and I'm always running out of like little office supplies, for example, just like this. So I had to pick up some more envelopes. It comes with 40 of them. This one has the printed lining for privacy, so you can't really see like what's inside of the envelope, which I love. People are nosy, people are thieves, people, yeah, these are a must-have at Dollar Tree. Next I had to pick up some crystal clear tape because I know at the other Dollar Tree I went to, like I go to many different Dollar Trees, okay, but with this other Dollar Tree they didn't have any, and they only had some for like boxes, like those thick ones, and I'm just like, no, let me go to this other Dollar Tree and get these. And it comes with 2 of them. It's by the brand Jot Mailing. Okay, so on to the more interesting things, the beauty things, the fashion. So next I had got this LA Colors Dramati Lash false eyelashes, and these are called Dreamy, and these look more like I don't want to say they look natural, but the band of them are not like a thick black band, and I don't really have anything like that, so I think I want to try these out. And honestly, the packaging got me. Like, I noticed like when it comes to pink packaging, it catches my eye and it makes me just want to get it. but these aren't that bad, I don't think. They are pretty wispy. Actually, let me take these out. Can you guys see the wispiness? Like, I know y'all see that. Yeah, these look really cute and I really want to try these out. So hopefully soon, maybe in a makeup tutorial. Ooh, oh my gosh, I've been done. Hopefully soon in a makeup tutorial that I can try these out with you guys and give you guys my honest opinion about them. But it does say that they're comfortable, reusable, easy to apply, and they're lightweight. I have found these lashes that have been viral all over social media. I think they've been viral on social media maybe since last year, but I finally found this brand called 𝐿. They're 100% man-made and they have a natural light wispiness to them. 3D Fox mink lashes. Again, I love the packaging. It looks very, what is that word, like a old French style type of look to them, like especially with the gold part. But yeah, these look more on the natural side, but the band of these are black, a little bit more thick. But I definitely do want to try these out. But these are how they look. They're not that wispy. Like, let me show you guys, like this. They have like a light curl to them, not that many hairs, but you can definitely wear these whenever you're feeling more on the natural side. It says designed to be extra full by adding volume, length, and body to your lashes. 100% man-made, and it tells you how to apply them. And I do like how they have their social medias on the back of this, because I know with certain Dollar Tree products, or just a lot of Dollar Tree products, they don't really have their info on the back like this. So yeah, these look really cute. You guys, I completely forgot that I had also picked these up. It's by the same brand, 𝐿, and these are 3D Curls False Mink Individual Eyelash Extensions. These are Fox Mink Individual Lash Extensions, and with the theme, I just realized it has that angel type of theme, that old-fashioned French. Yeah, these are really cute. I really want to try these out so bad. And these look like they're gonna be really good quality, but let me show you guys how they look outside the box. Again, has 16 3 strands, customizable, reusable, lightweight lashes. So I'm trying to think, are they like different lengths, the 3 of them? Like the top part right here looks like they have like a different length, and the bottom part looks like it's a bit longer. I can't really tell honestly, but these look like they'll actually look good on your lashes. Next, I found this Sassy and Chic dual-ended facial mask applicator. I already have some, but sometimes it can be a hassle to find certain ones that I like using with certain masks. So for this to be dual-ended, it's like perfect. I have to get this, and it's in pink. I think they have this in green or blue, but you know, I'm gonna get pink. I don't care. Yeah, it's silicone. This is gonna be really easy to use and to wash and to disinfect. Has that type of silicone feel to it, and I can just apply my face mask like this, go into certain crevices, because I don't have one that's like curved like this. Most of mine are like this, but this one is actually way better. Do that, do that, do that, do that. Yeah, I cannot wait to use this one. This next Dollar Tree product was like a little hidden gem to me, because I sworn I never seen this in my entire life. So this is by the brand Global Beauty Care, and you know that brand is very familiar at Dollar Tree. I don't know if this product is new or what, but this is their pink sugar lip scrub, and I've been needing lip scrubs. Like, my lips be getting crusty. Like, I just be having dry skin, and it's like so annoying. Like, even in the summertime, I thought it was gonna get better. Like, it did, but I don't know, my skin, ooh, it's not really all that, but I just like how it comes with a little spatula. It's like very sanitary. And oh, this is so cute. This is how it looks. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Oh, I cannot wait to use this. Let me open it and let me smell it. Ooh, it smells like candy. Oh my gosh. Oh, this smells good. And this looks like, ooh, yeah, this is some real legit sugar. this looks like it's gonna actually work on my lips. And by the way I'm like feeling it, like this is, oh my gosh, this is some good quality stuff. I can tell like off the bat. So I cannot wait to use this. Oh my gosh, this was definitely a hidden gem. I sworn I never seen this at my Dollar Tree or certain Dollar Trees. Next I have found this really cute heart pumice stone, and this was like one of my favorite things that I got in this haul because it's a heart and like, you know, it's just perfect for the springtime, especially with the roses on it. I just thought it was really cute. I don't know if the pumice stone is gonna be held in with this or what. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. I thought this pumice stone came out and this was just for like, I don't know, decoration for it, like packaging purposes, but no, this is actually like glued inside. So you can just hang this in your, you could just hang this in the tub in your shower, and you could just use this just to scrub off the dead skin off your feet. This is so cute. Like, oh my gosh, Dollar Tree is really upgrading their stuff and I love it and I'm here for it. I love this. Next I had to get some Q-tips because I'm always running out and I really wanted a container like this for my Q-tips. I currently put my Q-tips in like a sandwich bag, but you know, whatever, like I don't care as long as they're being protected. It's still like very sanitary, but I needed something just like this. These are Q-tips infused with rose oil. I never tried any Q-tips infused with anything, so we're gonna see how these work or just how they smell because I really want to smell these. So the case looks like this and these are how they look inside the box. Okay, they do smell like roses. It's not like a heavy type of scent. It's like very lightweight. Once I run out of these, I'm definitely getting more because I can tell these are gonna work just as good as other Q-tips that I have, but these are pink and they have rose oil in them, so I feel like it'll be beneficial for my skin, my ears. I mainly use Q-tips for my ears. Some people don't do that, but for me, it works perfectly fine for me. I know there's been times where I had accidentally put the Q-tip too far in, but that was when I was younger. This definitely helps take out any earwax or any ear stuff you got going on in your ear, and I just feel like it's still very necessary to use a Q-tip to clean your ears. Yes, wash your ears, but after, like once you hop out the shower, please dry your ears with the Q-tip. Next I had to get some face masks because I love Dollar Tree face masks. Never had any issues with them, and these are just good to have for whenever you're having like a quick little self-care routine and you can't really go in too deep with your self-care routine because you have other things to do the next day. That's me all the time, so these are really nice to have. The first one I'm gonna show you guys is the Freeman one. This one is a purifying grapefruit and it comes with 2 of these. This is supposed to deeply cleanse and help brighten my skin, and it's for all skin types. Leave it on for about 15-20 minutes. Let the serum set into your skin and massage it into your skin and neck. You can use these 2 times a week or as often as needed. Yeah, these are very beneficial for me. And then for the other one, this one is also made in Korea. It says the new and original Korean beauty mask. This one is infused with glycolic acid, and this is a hyaluronic bubble face mask treatment. This was the last bubble mask that I seen at Dollar Tree. I haven't seen these in a very long time, so once I seen this one, I grabbed it immediately. And this has earth clay, vitamin C, vitamin E, yuzu lemon to brighten, clarify, and moisturize skin. This looks like it's gonna work perfectly on my skin, and it's very interesting when the bubbles show up on the mask because it's like I feel like I'm doing like some type of science project or something. I don't know, it's very interesting to me. You also leave this on for 20 minutes, then you remove the mask and wash the bubbles off with water. Then once your skin is dry, continue doing your normal skincare routine. So I cannot wait to use this one. Same thing with the Freeman one. Like, I promise you guys, when it comes to Dollar Tree face mask, never sleep on them. Next, I picked up some shaving cream because I never tried out Dollar Tree's shaving creams. As many times as I've been there, I never tried them out. Well, from what I can remember, I don't think I ever tried them out, but this is by the brand Beauty and Skincare Power Stick for her, and this is their sensitive skin shave cream with coconut oil and shea butter. This looks like it's gonna be perfect for this spring and summertime. And when it comes to those seasons, I really want to get in like a tropical mood. Love tropical scents, summery scents, more fresh scents than warm scents. So I really want to try this out. Actually, I'm gonna Yeah, let me try it out. Wait, can I shake it? Yeah, let me shake this first. Oh, okay. I don't know if it smells like I always do that every time I smell something. I don't know if it smells like anything. Maybe once I'm in the shower. But then again, this is the sensitive kind, so maybe it's not gonna have too much of like any type of scent to it. It looks like it's gonna work. Hopefully it works. I'll let you guys know. Next, I did pick up this Caress Daily Silk Body Wash Bar. I know for a fact I never tried this scent in a body bar form or a body bar soap form or whatever. For noticeably silky soft skin with white peach and orange blossom. It has a floral oil essence. It's just pretty much the same thing as like the soap, like the body wash form, but in a bar form. But if you need any bar soap from Caress, they have them at Dollar Tree for only $1.25. And I had got the Ice Drops Breath Strips, instantly refreshes breath, and this is in the scent Fresh Mint. I haven't seen these in a very long time. I remember, which brand was it that had that? And they always had like commercials for it. I don't know, but once I seen these, I had to get it. I'm sorry if the camera angle changed. I had to change the battery, but like I was saying with these would be perfect just to throw in my bag. And nowadays I don't really like chewing gum like that, because ever since my stomach issue, it's been really weird for me just to chew gum. Like if I can't ingest it, it's like I don't want to have this in my mouth anymore. So I feel like these would be perfect. Same thing with Tic Tacs. I like having Tic Tacs with me. Yeah, maybe soon I can try to get into gum again. Maybe this is like one of the best things to have with you after you eat, or if you're out and about and you just want to have that fresh minty taste in your mouth. I feel like these would be perfect. Comes with 24 of them and they're sugar free. This is how it looks. It's so tiny and cute. Open it and I just slide one out because they're so thin. Ooh. Woo. Yep, these are kind of fresh in your breath. Ooh. I like minty stuff like this. Ooh. I like these. I'm gonna get more of these. I should have shown you guys these at the beginning of the video, but I had to pick up these. I love getting these at the Dollar Tree. I remember the last time I went to Dollar Tree, I had got more of these and they ran out of ink, or they like broke or something, because sometimes I accidentally sell my stuff and they just break. So I had to get more, and this time I had also got purple. Fun fact about me, purple used to be my favorite color in the whole entire world. I love the rhinestone diamonds on them. And then to open them, you just do that. To close it, do that. Same thing with this. These are really cute, and I love using these for whenever I'm using my planner, or I can just throw one. I could just throw one of these in my bag because I do not have an extra pen. It seems like everyone has an extra pen in their purse, but not me. Like I really need to have an extra pen, so I think I'm gonna use one of these as my pen. But yeah, that's all that I have to show you guys in this Dollar Tree haul. I did find so many different gems at Dollar Tree, so I'm really happy with this haul, very much satisfied. And if you guys enjoy this haul, please do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel to join the Harmony. Remember, we're almost at 50,000 harmonies or subscribers. I call you guys my harmonies, but yeah, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, and of course click that bell button to receive notifications from me every time I upload. Okay, so I love you guys so much, and God bless you all in Jesus' name, and I'll see you guys in my next video. And one more little thing I want to add, if you're still here, I am going to be posting another Dollar Tree haul because this video was kind of late, but recently again I went to the Dollar Tree and I found even more goodies, so stay tuned for that video really soon. But